Hey guys, George Floyd, Parks of Dark. We are here at Sunset Walk, right outside Margaritaville, Orlando. And for my adrenaline junkies out there, this is Sunset Walk SlingShot. Now, it doesn't look that terrifying right now, but let me just show you. So those two little lit arms go up there. And what it does is it launches you in a basket from down there, straight up there and back. Now let me show you a couple of statistics to show you how truly terrifying this is. So the Sunset Walk SlingShot is 400 feet tall. It will go 100 miles an hour when it launches you, and you will experience 5 Gs. 5 Gs is 5 times your weight pressing down on you as it shoots you up to the sky at 100 miles an hour. You go up, you bounce, you go up, you bounce. The basket is not locked, so you kind of rock and spin a little bit. So overall, guys, this is not for the faint of heart. It's not something that you should come in and do lightly. It is for those who are brave enough. Now, if you time this right, and you do this during the Disney fireworks, you can see it from here. So as you're going up and bouncing, you'll be able to watch the fireworks. Talk about a good 1-2 punch. But so this is it, and let me show you what the basket looks like. Now that I have not, obviously no one's launching, it's a little late. But that's the basket. 2 people can sit in it, and they have a camera set up so they can watch yourself freak out. And then guys, it just goes like this. It goes launch. And those cables you see are just how they launch it. That's what pulls you up. So guys, George Floyd, Parks After Dark. For those who love an adventure and love a little adrenaline, this is a great option for you. Come on down to Sunset Walk right out here in Margaritaville and go take it. But do me a favor, like, subscribe. We guys will talk to you later.